Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a cow on Dress to Impress. Now, obviously I did use custom makeup, but you can not use custom makeup. You can use any makeup that you would like to. For the hair, we're going to go to the masculine section. We're going to use this and we're going to color that in white. Wait, why do I have blush on? Hold on, let me just remove this there, and then we are going to use the cupcake costume, which is here. Going to color it white and the sprinkles on it black and white. We're going to only color some. Then we are going to use, let me see where it is, this one. We're going to use type 2 and we're going to just remove the bow. Go to patterns and just add the cow pattern on like that. I know it's a lot, but you do need that much cow pattern. We are going to use this in this pattern as well, and the fur coat in that pattern as well. Okay, can't make it matte, so that's completely fine. For the horns, you do need VIP for this. So select that and color it white. And I'm going to select the matte coloring for that. We're also going to use these ears in a white color. Then I'm going to use these for I don't know, the earrings. Well, cows don't wear earrings, but they have some of them have the nose ones. Obviously you can't see that, so we're gonna place it here. For the shoes, we'll be using just this one in black. Actually, I might use the boots instead. Yep. Then for the last touch, the cow udders, we're going to use the pumpkin and we're going to color it this color in matte. And that is how you can create a cow on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.